Hello everyone, I am so happy to see you again. Today I want to show you the cleaning supplies that I use every day. I'm talking about the cleaning tools that allow me to keep a cheerful attitude or a Zen-like attitude as I go about cleaning every room in this 200-year-old house. All of the products will be linked in the description below if you'd like to learn more about them. When I clean a room, I clean it from top to bottom. And for the top of the room, I use a microfiber dust mop. The mop has a long, extendable handle that makes dusting the high ceilings and walls in this house easy to do. The swivel head allows me to clean around paintings and other decorative items that are suspended from the walls. To clean the microfiber head, I simply detach it and throw it in the wash without any added fabric softener. For window hangings, I rely on a cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. This one has a retractable crevice tool. The crevice tool is great for reaching into the pleats of the window hangings. I will talk more about this clever vacuum when we discuss the carpeted staircase. For chair rails, baseboards, and painted door and window frames, I simply use a microfiber cloth and an all-purpose cleaner like Simple Green. When I use Simple Green, I spray it on the cloth, not directly on the wall. This way, I avoid damaging the wallpaper in this house. To clean and polish mirrors and also the crystal baubles on my chandeliers, I use glass cleaner wipes. I find the glass cleaner sheets are much less messier to use than glass cleaner spray. One glass cleaner sheet goes a very long way. To clean and polish my antique wood furniture, and also to polish the 19th century mahogany pocket doors, I first dust them with a microfiber cloth. And then, several times each year, I feed the wood with walrus oil. Walrus oil is a mixture of coconut oil, beeswax, pure mineral oil, and vitamin E. It is 100% food contact safe. I use the oil to feed, seal, and polish my 19th and early 20th century wood furnishings. Of course, I also use it on all of my cutting boards. I have two grand pianos. Actually, I have three grand pianos, but today we are only discussing two of them. The first one is a Yamaha, which has a high gloss finish. I dust the piano regularly with a microfiber cloth, and then I polish it with this Cori super high gloss piano polish. My Steinway grand has a painted black matte finish. And my piano technician told me to clean that finish with good old Murphy oil soap. Cori Super High Gloss Piano Polish not only brings out the shine of the piano, but it quickly removes fingerprints too. It is a great product.
Meanwhile, Murphy's oil soap does a great cleaning job on my Steinway. It does not leave any residue on the wood.
I clean the piano keys with a barely damp cloth, and when I wish to disinfect the keys, I use an isopropyl alcohol wipe. Besides grand pianos, I also collect silver, and I do use all of my sterling and silver-plated serving pieces. To keep the silver in mint condition, once each month or so, I polish it with Wright Silver Cream.
Wright Silver Polish is very simple to use. Just rub it on and then rinse it off or buff it off.
Of course, we need to talk about laundry. Now, I used to use those big, messy, hideously expensive tubs of liquid laundry detergent. No more. Now I use laundry sheets.
Laundry sheets are a great invention. They work as well as any powdered or liquid detergent, but they take up almost no space in my laundry room, and they do not make a gloopy mess.
The wood floors here are all original to this house. They are 200 years old.
I vacuum the floors with my Shark Navigator. This vacuum has tremendous suction power, and it works equally well on wood floors and carpets.
For mopping the ancient wood floors, I use a spray mop. And it has this wonderful cleaning pad that attaches just like this. And this pad is machine washable. My cleaning solution for the floors is nothing more than white distilled vinegar and water. Distilled vinegar and water is the only cleaning solution that is recommended for antique wood floors. Now we are back to this little handheld vacuum again because I want to talk about carpeted stairs. Now my staircase receives a lot of traffic, not only from me and my spouse, but from our 3 pets, especially the 2 cats. They love to play on the stairs. I researched handheld vacuums that really work on pet hair, and I kept coming up with this Black & Decker Fur Buster, which again, I showed you earlier. The motorized part, well, I can remove this. This motorized part has silicone prongs that really grip onto pet hair and other debris. This machine was a game changer for me.
I used to spend 20 minutes a day vacuuming the stairs. Now I can knock out the job in 5 minutes or less.
And finally, we have to talk about windows. Now, if you have modern windows that tilt in, your job is very easy to do. My ancient windows are the double hung type. And to make the windows easy to clean, I purchased this two-sided squeegee. The squeegee works perfectly, and it has a super long extendable handle that allows me to reach the top of a window without the need of a step ladder. And the squeegee has this flexible part that allows you to really get into the nooks and corners of a window.
The squeegee comes with a thick, durable pad that you attach to one side. Dip the pad into whatever window cleaning solution you like, and then use it to soak the window glass. Then flip the handle over and use the squeegee to cut through the moisture. The end result is a clean window with no streaks. My cat Goldie likes this clever gadget as much as I do.
I hope today's episode was useful to you in some small way. In the comments, please let me know if there is some cleaning device that you use and love. We do a lot of cooking, gardening, food preservation, and home beautification projects on this channel. So if any of these topics are of interest to you, I hope you will subscribe and tap the bell to receive notifications every time I upload a new episode. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I really cherish your company. I can put a couple of my other videos at the end of this one that you can watch between now and my next upload. Until then, please treat yourself well, and I will see you very soon. Bye, friends.